Hey everybody, I had a request to work number 9 from the Order of Operations Extra Practice. So I'm going to walk you through part of this problem so that you can get on your way with it. So it says to evaluate each expression. Remember, evaluate means to solve, okay? Now you've got 4 different expressions here. All 4 of them are going to have either the answer 12 or the answer 15 when you're done with each one. So I would just start with this first one here. I might even label this one A, this one B, this one C, and this one D. Okay? So for the first one, A, when I solve it out, I know I'm going to end up with an answer of either 12 or 15. So let me move over here to my paper and I'll write out the first problem. So it is 2 times 8 plus 7 in parentheses minus 6 divided by 2 times parentheses 9 minus 3. Let me make sure I wrote that right. 2 times open parentheses 8 plus 7 close parentheses minus 6 divided by 2 times open parentheses 9 minus 3. All right, remember you use the rules of PEMDAS. So P stands for parentheses, so do any of your parentheses first. Now I have 2 different sets of parentheses. I always like to work from left to right. So I'm going to work this first, okay? 8 plus 7 we know is 15. So these parentheses disappear. I drop down the 2 and the multiplication symbol. I'm going to drop down the minus 6 and the divide by 2 and the multiplication symbol. I can go ahead and do this 9 minus 3 as well because it is in parentheses. So 9 minus 3 is 6 and the parentheses disappear. So now I'm left with multiplying, subtracting, dividing, and multiplying again. I don't have any exponents, so that's not something I need to worry about. Now remember, we get to the multiplication and division. These work from left to right. So whichever one of these is on the left, you're going to solve first. So I have multiplication on the left first. So I'm going to do this first. 2 times 15 is 30. Then I drop everything else down that is still left. Okay? All right. Again, I'm still left with subtraction, division, multiplication. Okay? Multiplication and division come before addition and subtraction, so I can't do this yet. So I'm left with this and this. Here, the division happens to be on the left, you see? So I'm going to do 6 divided by 2, which is 3. So I drop down the 30 minus the 3 times the 6. Okay? Now again, I'm still left with addition and multiplication. Multiplication and division comes before addition and subtraction. So again, I'm going to do the 3 times 6, which is 18. Then I'm just going to drop down my 30 minus. So then you can go to the side and you can do 30 minus 18. I can't take 8 from 0, so I'll borrow from the 3, so this becomes a 2. This 0 becomes a 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 2. So 30 minus 18 leaves me with a final answer of 12. Okay? And remember, back to the original page, I told you every time you work these 4 problems, you're either going to end up with an answer of 12 or 15. So for this first expression, it would go in this box. So you could just write A. So you don't have to rewrite that whole thing. and then go to the next one and solve just like that. Remember PEMDAS, what everything stands for. Okay? Hope this helps. Have a great day. Bye.